How to upload fonts to Cricut Design Space. Step 1. If you have downloaded fonts to upload to Cricut Design Space, navigate to the downloaded file. Step 2. Click on the file, click on Extract at the top of the screen, then click on Extract All. Step 3. Select the folder where the extracted files will be saved, then click on Extract. Step 4. A new window will pop up right away. Click on the file here and it'll give you a preview of the fonts. Step 5. Click on Install, and it takes only a couple of seconds to install. Step 6. Once done, close all the windows and open Cricut Design Space to find the installed font. Step 7. Click on New Project, then select Text Tool from the Design panel. Step 8. Type in a text, then click on the font drop-down arrow to change the font. Step 9. Click on the search bar, type in the recently installed font and select it. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.